Welcome back, guys. We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we will be sharing with you our best solar panels. With the increasing demand of substantial energy, solar panels have become a popular choice for homeowners and businesses alike. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top performing solar panels in terms of efficiency, durability, and overall value. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint or save money on your energy bills, we've got you covered. Let's get started. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth solar panel on our list is the Renogy 2-pieces solar panel kit 320-watt 24-volt monocrystalline off-grid, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. This 2-piece solar panel kit from Renogy is a great choice for people who need a reliable solar panel kit to power their off-grid systems. The kit's rugged aluminum frame with a corrosion-resistant design and sturdy corner supports provide durability and ensures performance even under extreme weather conditions. Its low iron tempered glass is also anti-reflective and enables up to 91.5% transparency, allowing for maximum sunlight absorption and energy conversion. This makes it much more effective in places where there may not be as much sun as you'd like. Equally important, the pre-drilled holes and compatibility with other Renogy mounting brackets make installation fast and easy. Its IP68 junction box and IP67 waterproof solar connectors protect against environmental factors like dust and water, making them ideal for marine applications. Lastly, the bypass diodes protect against overheating and accidental shading, ensuring efficient and uninterrupted performance. Now, while the panels are designed to withstand outdoor conditions, they may require regular cleaning to maintain optimal performance. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who are environmentally conscious and want to reduce their carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources. The fourth solar panel on our list is the HQST 100-watt Polycrystalline 12-volt solar panel, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel is an excellent choice for those who need off-grid 12-volt battery charging and other DC applications, with a conversion efficiency of up to 21%. This solar panel is designed to perform well even in low-light conditions thanks to the bypass diodes. It also features multi-layered sheet laminations and advanced encapsulation material, which guarantees a long service life and a positive output tolerance. Aside from this, you will also be able to trust this solar panel as it comes with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass, and it's built to withstand high wind and snow loads. When it came to setting it up, we didn't have a single problem. The junction box, MC4 connectors, and pre-drilled holes made it easy to mount, so we're done in a snap. Lastly, the package includes 2 solar panels, and each panel has been thoroughly tested before leaving the factory. On another note, despite being visibly flawless, it does have its drawbacks, such as the fact that it may not perform as well in extremely hot temperatures. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance solar panel for their off-grid or renewable energy needs. The third solar panel on our list is the Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt portable solar panel for Explorer, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Jackery SolarSaga 100-watt portable solar panel for Explorer is a must-have for people who love the outdoors and need a reliable backup power source. It's easy to set up and comes with a kickstand, so you can start charging your Jackery power station right away. With its advanced monocrystalline silicon solar cells and multi-layered cell technology, this solar panel is able to convert up to 23% of sun's energy into usable power, making it more efficient than other conventional panels. What's more, the durable and splash-proof ETFE laminated case also protects the panel from water splashing, ensuring good and reliable performance over the long run. Lastly, with USB-C and USB-A output ports, you will be able to charge small devices directly from the solar panel. Now, while it is designed to be portable and comes with a handle, it may still be too bulky for some users to carry around easily, especially if they are going on longer hikes or treks. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people who experience frequent power outages and want to have a backup power source on hand. The second solar panel on our list is the BLUETTI SP200 200-watt solar panel, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The BLUETTI SP200 200-watt solar panel is a high-performance performing and reliable solar panel that is perfect for powering your outdoor adventures or for use during power outages. One of the standout features of this solar panel is its high conversion efficiency of up to 23.5%, which is much higher than other typical solar panels on the market. This means that you can generate more power in less time, making it perfect for those on-the-go situations. Additionally, its durable and scratch-resistant ETFE material and IP65 water-resistant protection ensures its long-lasting and reliable performance in various weather conditions. There's also the foldable and portable design that makes it easy to transport and install, making it an ideal choice for campers, hikers, and RVers. Lastly, it works with most solar generators, including BLUETTI solar generators. This makes it a flexible and useful choice for anyone who wants to use solar power. Now, while it offers high conversion efficiency and durability, its price point may be higher than some other solar panels with a similar wattage output. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals who need a solar panel that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The best solar panel on our list is the Newpowa 220-watt monocrystalline 10BB cell solar power, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. The Newpowa 2020-watt monocrystalline 10BB cell solar panel is an ideal choice for those who want to harness solar power for their homes or businesses. Its 220-watt capacity, high-efficiency solar cells with multi-layered sheet laminations make it a powerful and efficient source for energy. The cutting-edge encapsulating material also adds to the durability of the panel, making it capable of withstanding high winds and snow loads. Additionally, the diodes come pre-installed in the junction box, saving you time and effort on installation. And as if that's not impressive enough, the pre-attached MC4 cable also ensures an easy connection to your system. Lastly, the panel's maximum power of 220 watts ensure that you can generate sufficient energy for your needs. As far as downsides go, it may not be as durable as some other models on the market, which can be a concern for those who live in areas with harsh weather conditions. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to individuals who want an easy installation process. With pre-installed diodes, this panel won't pose too much of a problem either. And there you have it, folks, our best solar panels, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next solar panel roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.